On this video, I will be showing you how to flag and request a review to be removed from Google My Business reviews. First, what you want to do is search the business to find the correct profile. I searched HobNob DTC, which is a local pet boarding facility near me. They currently have 66 reviews. When I was reviewing their profile, I noticed that a former employee had left a review, which is not allowed, so I decided to submit it for removal. I reported the policy violation, and the violation type that I chose was one that contains hateful, violent, or inappropriate content. After submitting the review, I received an email from Google stating that they received my request and that the violation that they had categorized it under was hate. Now I will wait to see how Google responds and if the review will be removed. Following up on the flagged review that I previously submitted to Google about the review left by Tara White, a former employee, on behalf of the business HobNob Pet, located in Greenwood Village, Colorado. I have yet to receive an email from Google stating whether or not they have removed the review, so I have decided to take the time now to do a quick check. So to conduct my own due diligence, I will search HobNob DTC in Google and go to the Google My Business profile. I noticed that there are now 65 reviews when previously there was 66. I sorted by the lowest ratings, and as you can see as I scroll, the review is no longer present and has been removed from the business profile. This is great news for me. You can see from here that there are now 65 reviews, no longer 66. This is a second confirmation that the review has been removed. Just remember, you're always one decision away from a totally different life. It's 100% in your business's control to manage and monitor what your clients are saying about you online. And not only clients, employees and former employees. It's important to take note that these platforms are not meant for employees to rant and rave about their experience with your business. So this is a perfect opportunity to get these reviews removed when submitted the proper way. Check out our latest blog post on our Defamation Defenders blog and learn more about how negative feedback on review sites like Google can impact your business. The stats are unbelievable. Contact us today for more information on how we can help you handle the heat and how we can help you develop and design a strategy to handle all of your online reviews. They aren't going away, and it's more important than ever to get a game plan on how to handle them.